I'm so upset because instead of living in Texas, I'm living here. So I've been living for 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
And the year I decide to come back is when it's like, shoot me, shoot me, shoot me. This is crazy.
Oh my goodness. Huge. Oh my god.
Change of plans. Someone's vlogging me vlog. The change of plans. I put my hair down and I just put a beat.
I guess we're moving to dumb old stupid Texas.
Yep.
I mean, the boys over here.
We saved this corner for you too. Look at all this bro love. I'm gonna be a vlogger like you. It'd be like, gosh, girls, other videos.
I was gonna start vlogging.
That's me. This one right here. Where's Christian? Are you getting candy?
We're
Yeah.
getting candy. It's like what?
Milking a cow.
Sam, do you mind telling me why you're shoveling the snow?
Because I don't want to get my socks wet in my Birks.
You could just wear shoes.
Nope. I'm comfortable. Like to protect my comfort.
You're
You know,
literally creating yourself a path to your car. You know, it'd be nice for you to do that for me.
You have boots.
That's because I'm smart.
Well, my boots are in the car because I like helping people. You know, give me crap for helping people.
Or you just wear them.
You give me more crap for anything else.
This was a hailstone. A lot of cold things.
We're going back to the car.
I think we should get it. Did you hear that? Did you hear her say my name?
Nope.
Kaylin. Find me. Can you help me up? Please. You hate me.
$4. I'm the voice of reason. Property values rise and fall like real life.
This is what we're gonna do.
And it's $1.50
We're gonna
cheaper.
rock, paper, scissors this.
I'm not gonna make you play that because I know you're not gonna enjoy it as much as me.
I'm down. Did you just insult my intelligence?
No.
You think I'm not smart enough? Yeah, let's get the pizza version. Maybe
Oh,
I'll
man.
understand how to play that one better.
Yeah, maybe.
Because it has to do with cheese and,
And
carbs.
food.
Are we gonna get it? It plays music, Sam.
Caitlin, what are you doing right now?
Shopping.
If all you bought fit in that cart, then I'd have so much more money.
$100 gift card.
See? It's fancy.
This? This is all I want.
She's a child.
Did you pee on the floor?
You make me nervous.
Actually really hurts my head.
This looks like that's actually Christian's hair.
Wow.
Is this what Zach felt like? Wait, let me do a man bun.
I'm gonna braid my hair.
It actually does.
Why does that look okay? This is what your daughter's gonna look like. Great.
Does anyone have a scrunchie? It's a simple whatever the boys do. I don't know what the boys do.
Oh my god. That one just looked like a Native American.
I am walking horse.
What a great way to end my birthday.